everybody's getting a little testy out here on me this morning. I'm coming. I'm coming. Good morning. Good morning. I know you and Morris are particularly hungry. There you go. There you go. Is Stripey here somewhere? If he's not, he's close by. He was. Ugh. And pricks in the morning. It's always a disaster. There. Oh, it's 39 out here, and we're on our way up to 53, a high of 53 today. The sky's pretty. I have presents to wrap, a cheesecake to make, yesterday's video to edit, which will be a little bit longer than some days because of the Holt Road Light Show. And I'm sure a few other things to do. Final preparations here on Christmas Eve. I'm having to water a few things this morning. It's gotten pretty dry on us. It's slow filling the watering can up at the kitchen sink. Very slow. Hi. Hello. Hi. What is it about Mom coming in every morning that causes the stretch? Causes the stretch. Here you go. Hi. Good girl. Good girl. Hopefully I'm not the only person on Christmas Eve wrapping some presents. I used to have a guest bedroom, and that was wrapping central, and I'd leave the stuff on the bed for the month and pile stuff up, and it was great. And I'm missing a spot like that over here. Present wrapping is done, I think. You never can count on not having one more thing pop up to wrap. I'm making Johnny and Dawn basically a Christmas morning breakfast on Christmas Eve, because on Christmas morning I don't particularly cook extra breakfast because we eat so much later in the day. And yeah, it's a cooking marathon out here now.
Oh, she really loves me. Looky what I've gotten. Bacon and eggs. And what is this?
Waffles.
What have you been up to in here?
Making you a breakfast that you deserve.
Oh, wow. It must be Christmas.
It must be Christmas.
Wow. Thank you, sweetheart.
You're
it looks
welcome,
delicious.
Donnie.
I'm going to enjoy it.
It's gotten to be 2:30, but it's gorgeous now out here, and we're headed for our walk. You can't have waffles with butter and maple syrup on it and not go stretch your legs a little bit.
That's right.
And Don helped me take some Christmas cat pictures. Sam and I would generally have done that, but we just didn't have any room for that last night, even though I had gotten these things out. I might do the inside crew nighttime and midnight while I'm, when they come up to visit me while I'm cooking and working on Legos, I might stop and do them too. We'll see. But I guess things are going according to plan today. The other big to-do is the cheesecake, and of course I would love to have a few minutes to click a few bricks. We'll see. I'm feeling a little full though right now, Donnie. Can we just park in the sun and take a nap?
Sounds good. I'm all for it. We put the Christmas music on, put the fire up here, and we'll be out like a light. At least I would.
I'm thinking right now that would work for me too. Well, it's warm enough out here. I had to ditch my jacket.
Yeah,
Dawn went.
Every bit as pretty as she said it was. Yes, sirree. It's
Yeah.
a great day out here.
It is. No complaints about today's weather whatsoever.
So we plugged in. She's at 74%. It says 35 minutes. It says charging. And you can see the charger is throbbing. And you can see it's 5 minutes to 4. So even though we just got home from walking, we plugged in, and because it's not 4 o'clock yet, the charger kicked off, which is perfectly fine. I'll double check and at 4 o'clock and see it, make sure the charger cut off. And if not, our watch cat here, I'm sure, will let me know.
The cheesecake is in the oven, and St. Louis ribs are ready to go in when the cheesecake comes out. We'll have dinner just a little after 7. Oh, one more cup of coffee while I go edit yesterday's video.
Well, I just happened to be out in the garage at 4 o'clock, and I heard a click, and it came over here, and sure enough, the charger, Jules has stopped charging. It's not throbbing anymore. Way cool. That new charging stuff that Tesla added to the app is really very effective. It does exactly what I wanted it to do.
I've got about a half an hour before dinner's done, and there are 70 parts, 38 unique, that I need to pull to do the modified motorized Orient Express. So I'm just going to spend the 30 minutes working on pulling these parts. A lot of them are black. It's this sheet, and then there's one more sheet. So shouldn't be a problem. Well, you would think that the Grinch was my favorite part of Christmas, but actually I like snowman and elves and owls and meowy Christmas better, but I like the Grinch. I do like the Grinch. And the boys and I, we had a Grinch inflatable when the kids were smaller, and we loved him. Anyway, I printed these today and just swapped them out, and I'm thinking they're pretty cool.